down line, turning excess altitude into excess airspeed. Watch the tail fly. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you is Joe Center. In the L39 Alpha. Up at the vertical tower is going to come up. Airspeed nearing 0 miles an hour. The controls are going to become reversed. Coming back through our smoke, 5 out. Nancy Lynn in the tail fly. Skyward show up. Airspeed cleaning out. Pulling over the top at positive 5 feet. Watch for outside. Snap rolls on the 45 degree descent. Here we go. I want all the kids in the crowd to count along with me. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. And 5. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. That's my mom, Miss Nancy Lynn, in the extra 300L. Going over the top is one of the viewers who see it better himself. This one's called the spin. It ends with one of the most dangerous aerobatic maneuvers called a knife edge spin, forward left spin. But she's the only in the extra 300L. Fireworks show right, start the torque roll. Falling over the top, get a positioning. Coming down towards show center. Stay tuned for the torque roll. The maneuver that won the 1972 World Aerobatic Championships for the Americans. Shakes up to the hard. Rolling to the left. The airspeed's going to be 0 miles an hour. That's 1, 2, 3 rolls. The controls are going to become reversed. Coming back through our own smoke. Hanging up on that empty propeller. Ladies and gentlemen, my mom, Nancy Lynn in the torque roll. 2 lengths of the airplane. 3, 4, 5. Back on the downline, airspeed winding back up on the 45. As I said earlier, Nancy's flying a completely stock extra 300L. She's doing some maneuvers in the airplane that Walter Extra, the designer, said couldn't be done. Stay tuned for the second half of the sequence. We're going to do some things you thought an airplane could never do before. A negative G push over the top. Watch for inside snap rolls. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ladies and gentlemen, at show center, give a hand for my mom, Nancy Lynn in the extra 300L. Airplane now, left knife edge plane, right forward stick, end over end. That's 2 rotations, now 3. 9 negative G's, trying to push her outside of the cockpit. Ladies and gentlemen, this one goes out to you guys in the crowd, out here early. This one's called the double avalanche. That's 1 snap roll over the top. Then adding another. Watching through the top of the canopy for show center. Pulling back through at 8 positive G's. My mom, Nancy Lynn, in the extra 300. Holding it inverted. Now she's going to pull hard positive G's for her photo pass. That's our signal that she's ready to start this second part of the performance. Comes in, building up airspeed, speed nearing 250 miles an hour. She's the only person on the airshow circuit to do a real flat spin. One of the most dangerous aerobatic maneuvers today. She's going to start rolling on the F-line. She's going to push it over the top and transition into the flat spin. Watch. High and show right. 5 negative G's pushing her into her straps. Left back 6. One wing is stalled. The other is flying. Auto-rotating the airplane like a helicopter. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my mom, Nancy Lynn, in the extra 300L. That's 7. Repositioning maneuver at show right. Nancy's going to show you one of her maneuvers that she invented and perfected with her coach, Sergey Boryak. This one's called the Sidewinder. Up on a 45-degree vertical. Starts inside snap rolls. Then it's going to transition into a torque roll. One of the most difficult aerobatic maneuvers on the circuit today. Nancy Lynn in the Sidewinder, airspeed nearing 0. Now coming up to 20 miles an hour. 30, 40, 3 lengths of the airplane. 5, 6, 100 miles an hour backwards. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my mom, Miss Nancy Lynn, in the extra 300L. Coming up in a little bit, we're going to show you high alpha maneuvering. Something a Walter Extra said couldn't be done in this airplane. The power is going to be at full. Airspeed's going to near 0. Hovering the airplane like a helicopter. Stay tuned. Pushing over the top in a near stall position. That's 1 inside snap. 2 and 3, 4. Listen for the power change. The throttle's going to come back. Rolling over the top. Setting up for high alpha sequence. In a maneuver Nancy invented and perfected herself. This one's called the waterfall. It's an inside-outside tumble with a 7 negative G transition in the middle. Flat spinning back on the downline. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my mom, Nancy Lynn, in the extra 300L.